So the next box is done. This is supposed to be a recipe box for my sister. And I'm trying to do this in the sunshine so the wood has more color. And I'm outside, so we'll see how the plane noises and other things get in the way. So it's the same lid that some of the people have seen on some of the Facebook and pictures and things that I've been sending, but basically it's a plywood bottom that has nice grain on, maple border, maple sides the whole way around, rosewood stripe the whole way around, another maple, and then another maple with a rosewood lid pull, and a nice set of brass hinges. And then for the top, it is one kind of oak, another color of oak, pine, old growth redwood, so there's like 25 or 30 growth rings in that little stripe, zebra wood, mahogany, and then it goes zebra wood, old growth redwood, pine, one color oak, another color of oak. So it ends up being a very pretty lid. And I don't know if some of the reflectance, I'm hoping some of that comes through that's not in the shadow. Planes, trains, and cars everywhere. So yeah, it has all the different colors in the lid, and it looks really awesome in the sunshine. I'm hoping that camera can pick up at least some of that. I think it does. The shimmer and shine and reflection. And then on the inside, there's a little magnet pull like last time. I only did a single magnet this time instead of the double because it didn't need the two. Yeah, even the inside looks good. And then the inside of the box. Yeah, it's supposed to be a recipe box, but the edges line up nice. Has a nice lid, trim, everything came out really nice. And the best part is all the wood was wood that people were throwing out, so that's the best part. So this box is, well, she had asked for a box that was 6 inches wide, 5 inches deep, and at least 4 inches tall. So it's 5 and 30 seconds wide, 4 and 30 seconds deep, and about 4 3/8 or 4.5 inches tall. For some reason, when I set the router bit and it ended up doing these little corners, that little bit was just enough that I should have had for the inside dimension. But she said it'll be fine. So that's the box. I put this on, the triple thick, and then I put some of the Renaissance hard wax on. This was the hinges I used, solid brass hinges. And then, like I said, this is I just at one of those fridge magnet pulls, or magnet pieces, just crunch it with the vise, the magnets come out, and then put it in there with a 13/64 drill bit. So that worked out really good. But yeah, it came out awesome. And really like it. Very small, if any, gaps. A little bit in the corners, but you know, that's what happens for 45 degrees. And this one has a nice knot in it. And there's lots of fun grain in the maple too on all the stuff. So even, you know, when you're looking in person, even the maple has all sorts of color and figure and shine and everything. So yeah, that came out really awesome. I think she's gonna like it a lot, and it'll be the fanciest recipe box that I know of.